viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. So let's start reading the book about Alexander Hamilton. The group of men that worked to build America is called the Founding Fathers. Alexander Hamilton is an important founding father, even though he grew up without a father of his own and in a place far away from America. Alexander Hamilton was born on an island called Nevis around 1755. His father left soon afterwards, and life became difficult for Alexander and his mother. They had very little money. Sadly, when Alexander was about 11 years old, he and his mother caught a terrible fever. Alexander lived, but his mother did not. Without any parents, Alexander became an orphan. Alexander went to live with a cousin, but he realized as an orphan that he had to take care of himself. He decided the best way was to become highly educated, so he worked hard to learn and read everything that he could find. His dedication to learning and reading made Alexander a great writer. When he was a young man, a dreadful hurricane swept across the island. Alexander wrote a letter to describe the hurricane. When people on the island saw how brilliant his writing was, they raised money to send him to America to go to college. Alexander Hamilton arrived in New York City. When he got there, the United States wasn't a country yet. Instead, America was a group of 13 colonies, and the British king was in charge of them. Many people in America were upset with the British king and his country for treating them unfairly. Even though Alexander was new to America, he dreamed that it could be a great country. He decided to support his new American countrymen to fight for their freedom from Britain. This became a war for independence called the American Revolution. At the beginning of the Revolutionary War, General George Washington met Alexander Hamilton. Washington was impressed with Alexander's intelligence and courage, so he gave Alexander the job as his military assistant. Alexander worked hard for General Washington, but he wanted to fight in the war. Finally, Alexander got the chance to fight at the Battle of Yorktown. Soon afterward, the American colonies won the war and their independence from Britain. The people were happy to be free, but Alexander and the other founding fathers knew without the British that America was like an orphan too. Of course, a country doesn't really need to have a mother and father. Instead, a country has leaders and important rules called laws for everyone to follow. Since America was a new country, it needed a leader and lots of laws to protect the people and keep them free. Alexander decided to help his new country by writing about important laws. It took a long time for the founding fathers to agree on a group of laws to be fair for everyone. Without Alexander Hamilton's help, they finally created a list of laws called the Constitution. This turned the American colonies into the United States of America. The United States also needed a strong leader, which they decided to call the President. The very first president chosen by the people was George Washington. President Washington gave Alexander Hamilton another important job of being in charge of the country's money. Alexander made a smart decision to create a bank for the United States. This helped build a solid foundation to America to remind people of Alexander Hamilton's ideas and hard work for his country. His picture is on every American $10 bill. Alexander Hamilton grew up without a father, but he became one of the founding fathers of the United States. He used his intelligence and courage to reach his dreams. To this day, Hamilton's dreams give Americans the freedom to make their dreams come true too. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!